Hi friends and welcome back to another video. Today it is day 11 on hashtag ASR 99 Days Data Science Challenge, and today's topic is univariate, bivariate and multivariate analysis. Univariate analysis is nothing but analyzing a single variable. So for instance, let's take a data table and it is x is our variable which contains boys or and girls, and n is the total count which is 38 and let's say 40. And for analyzing our variable x, we use methods such as bar charts, histogram, pie charts and etc. And this is all about univariate variable analysis. And for bivariate analysis, it is nothing but analyzing two variables. And let's say height is our first variable and weight is our second variable. So in this case, at sometimes when height increases, weight increases, and when height decreases, weight decreases. To analyze two variables, we use methods such as scatter plot and plot the values. And we also use a regression analysis to analyze two variables. So in regression analysis, basically we get a curve. For instance, let's say we get a straight line in this curve, and while by performing regression analysis we get the equation of the curve. So for example, I'm saying, like, when we get a straight line, the equation will be y equals mx plus c. For bivariate analysis, we also use concepts such as correlation coefficients. Correlation coefficients. In multivariate analysis, we analyze multiple variables, that is more than two. So for example, let's take the price of a house, and it depends on many variables such as square feet, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, and whether balcony is there or not, and garden is available or not available, and many more. And this is a beautiful example for multivariate analysis. And in multivariate analysis we have many methods. So the top three are PCA, which is principal component analysis, and cluster analysis, and also factor analysis. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like the video and leave a comment down below, and let's meet on date 1.